Dear participants of the Macedonian Manufacturing Expo 2020, in the name of the organizers and the partners, I would like to welcome you all to the fourth edition of this business event. This year, due to the known reasons, we would not be able to have physical interaction and personal face-to-face meetings and networking. However, we are proud that we found a solution to offer the same quality and content of the event only on a virtual platform. The direct pre-scheduled business meetings will be done via video link. Instead of the physical fair, we're going to have virtual booths where exhibitors from different countries will show their products and services. And during the conference panels, we will be able to hear and understand new topics relevant to our industry and the future development of the sector. Although the COVID situation is putting us in front of many challenges, we strongly believe that the virtual mode of the event will keep the positive energy we've built in the last editions and bring companies closer together in establishing new business relations. This year again we managed to have regional and international presence at the event with companies from Macedonia, Serbia, Albania, Kosovo, as well as companies buyers from the EU and FDAs originating from many different countries in the world. I would like to express my appreciation to all the partners and sponsors of the event, without whom we would not be able to have continuation of this business event. I wish you all successful business days, many new contacts and future business deals. Stay safe and take care.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, dear buyers and dear suppliers from the Western Balkans and dear company representatives. My name is Martens. I'm the director of the Delegation of German Industry and Commerce in North Macedonia. And I would like to welcome you for the upcoming 3 days of the Macedonian Manufacturing Expo. This is organized by the Delegation of German Industry and Commerce in cooperation as a joint venture with the Association of Electrical and Metal Industry, MAMEI, in North Macedonia. This event originally was designed as a B2B meeting event, but due to the pandemic situation, the COVID-19 crisis, we had to rethink the concept, and it will take place this time as a virtual online digital event with B2B meetings of 35 buyers and roughly 50 suppliers from the Western Balkans. We do hope that the event will be at your satisfaction, and we hope that companies from abroad will find new suppliers, and I wish you a very successful event, and I wish you good business deals. Thanks a lot and goodbye.
Hello everyone. It is a great pleasure to be joining all of you for this year's Macedonian Manufacturing Expo, the country's leading B2B conference for the light manufacturing industry. I want to congratulate the Macedonian Association of Metal and Electrical Industry for organizing this event and ensuring North Macedonia's manufacturing companies will continue to have a gateway to export markets. In unprecedented times like these, in the midst of limitations posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, the ways businesses used to network have been challenged. Nevertheless, you have all succeeded in finding new ways to connect. This online expo will help North Macedonia's companies expand their networks, meet new buyers, and increase sales, which is particularly important given this ongoing pandemic. And while matchmaking with large foreign manufacturers can boost both economic growth and employment in the country, the expo is also an excellent opportunity for companies from across the EU to explore the potential of North Macedonia's light manufacturing industry. I hope that all of you and the foreign investment companies producing in North Macedonia will find the opportunities you need to advance your business by optimizing supply chains. The fact that so many European companies are participating in this event is a positive indication that despite these challenging times, businesses are still interested in seeking deals and making new connections. North Macedonia's companies have much to offer the European market and have immense potential to become suppliers for international buyers. Matchmaking events like this are particularly important to support local suppliers and allow foreign companies to transfer their experience and know-how. The United States has supported the light manufacturing industry in North Macedonia for over 10 years now. USAID has helped host this expo since its inaugural event in 2016, and we are proud to see it growing into one of the biggest opportunities in North Macedonia for the development of long-standing partnerships between domestic and foreign manufacturing companies. I would also like to acknowledge the support of the Delegation of German Industry and Commerce, the Dutch Embassy, and the Expo's other partners and sponsors. Their strategic support is crucial to building a sustainable economy with strong connections to global markets, an important step forward as the country increasingly leads and finances its own development. We are proud co-investors in North Macedonia's economic prosperity. Let me conclude by wishing everyone a productive event filled with fruitful meetings. Thank you for being here, and I wish you a successful Expo.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you as participants in the Macedonian Manufacturing Expo. The Netherlands is a traditional partner in this event that brings together all parties from the metal and machine sector, not only from this region but from the whole of Europe. This year's online edition is a testimony to the commitment of all of us to move forward and to keep our enterprises, our businesses and our economies running, despite the challenges of the corona crisis. In my country, the Netherlands, 80,000 people are employed in the metal sector. Their combined turnover yearly is about 22 billion euros. More than half of these enterprises are export-oriented. Therefore, there is, in my view, still a great potential for growth and cooperation in trade and investment in this sector between our two countries. There are several Dutch companies that have already directly invested in North Macedonia in the metal and machine sector. To name a few, Holmak in Bitola, Stilcon in Kumanovo and Gerlos in Koce. The interest of Dutch companies for participation in the Expo and in the back-to-back meetings is increasing every year. The best indicator of the success of this event is this growing number of customers that come back. Those are the companies that have already experienced the benefits and the great opportunities to connect with potential clients and new business partners. I wish you a lot of success. Thank you very much.